is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. You can see we are just about to depart. There's a Cayman Airways 177.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for choosing Cayman Airways. Welcome aboard Flight 102, Destin to Miami, Florida. Your flight deck crew are Captain Ricky Brown, First Officer Charles Clifford. There are 3 captain members aboard, Angel, Morris, and Serena. Our flight time is to be approximately 1 hour and 16 minutes. At this time, we have to give us your complete attention as we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft.
As you can see in my last aviation video, we were doing the JetBlue from FLO, Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood International Airport to Grand Cayman International.
Please make certain that your seatbelts are securely fastened low and tight across your hips at this time. To do this, insert the metal tab into the buckle. To adjust, pull the loose end of the strap, press to release, press on the buckle cover. On this and every flight, you should be aware of the emergency exit nearest to you. These exits are non-reclining arms, the forward entry door, the forward service door, one middle exit over each wing, the aft entry door and the aft service door. An emergency exit sign will be clearly illuminated, and additional 4 or 5 lights on each side will help you guide to the nearest exit. Should you experience a reduction in cabin pressure, oxygen masks are released from the panel above your seat. To start the flow of oxygen, pull down sharply on the mask nearest to you until fully expended. Place the mask over your nose and mouth next to the curve of the elastic head strap. Reaffirm me until advised by a uniformed crew member that oxygen is no longer necessary. If you see next to a child or someone who may need your assistance, place your mask on first and then assist them. Life vests, which we use for both adults and children, are located under each passenger seat and in between the seats in business class. For use, remove the plastic pouch, unfold it, and place it over your head as being demonstrated.
There's 2 Cayman Express.
Bring the strap around your waist and attach the fasten to the buckle. Then pull on the strap to tighten. The life vest must only be inflated once outside the aircraft by putting down on the 2 red tabs in front. It may also be inflated by blowing air into 2 red ignition tubes at the side. It is equipped with a light that will activate in the water by removing the tabs from the battery. There is also a loop that may be used for traction tension. For a full review of these procedures, please refer to the safety feature card. In preparation for takeoff, please ensure that your seatbelts are fastened. Place all seat latch and seat tables in the upright and locked position. Push all electronic devices off or in airplane mode, and all carry items must be safely stowed. Thank you for your attention and cooperation. Once again, welcome aboard. Time for ready count for departure.
atmosphere.